Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna uncover a hidden feature on your iPhone 16 Pro. This feature is also available on iPhone 15 series as well. So this feature allows you to fully customize the appearance of your apps and home screen. So let's dive in. First, press and hold the home screen background until the app icons start to jiggle. Now tap Edit at the top of the screen and then select Customize. You will see a few options to adjust your app icons. Tap Talk to make the app icons darker for a sleek nighttime look or light to brighten them up. If you want to add a colorful touch, tap Tinted and use the sliders to choose the color and saturation for your icons. Adjust it to your preferred vibrancy. You can also set the color of your icons to change automatically based on the time of the day. Just tap automatic and your icons will switch between light and dark depending on whether it's day or night and your theme as well. Now let's talk about the background. There's an option as sun button. Tap this to adjust your home screen background to either a lighter or darker shade depending on the theme of your phone. And not only this, if you want to adjust the size of your app icons, you can use the size option to make them larger or smaller. Once you have customized everything to your liking, tap anywhere in the empty space to save your changes. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please share and subscribe.